just left my building and today I'm all set to explore Kuala Lumpur. The shocker is that I forgot my wallet at home. Now the best option is that I go back and get the wallet. What's the challenge in it? So I am going for the second best. While I was waiting for the bus, I marked a few stops on the maps. I was waiting for one of the free buses that run in Kuala Lumpur. The free buses have been given the names of colors: red, blue and pink. My first stop is Masjid Negara, which is also called National Mosque of Malaysia. So that was my first stop. Now I am heading to Merdeka Square. It is walking distance, just 10 to 15 minutes walk from here. And you know what? Traveling for free is no problem. But one thing I'm worried about is my stomach. I am not really sure what I'm gonna do when I'm hungry. But where there's a will, there's a way.
We can take it slow, make sure we do this right.
At least I had a water bottle in my bag.
Chemistry, I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you.
I'm at the Merdeka Square. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Kuala Lumpur. There are several historic buildings here from the time of colonization.
And everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh.
Very close to Merdeka Square is Masjid Jamek. It's one of the most beautiful mosques in Kuala Lumpur. Now you know one thing for sure. Even if your pocket is empty, you can travel around in Kuala Lumpur. I entered the street right opposite Masjid Jamek and it brought me to this area called Masjid India.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night.
As obvious from the name, this area has been named after an old mosque located here.
And the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. I will leave it on the next train, baby.
In particular, you will see a lot of Pakistani and Indian textile shops here.
Let's ride this train. Come on. Let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5. I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight on.
said, where there is a way, there is food. Yeah, that's exactly what I said. Basically, I was saved by Grab. I had 1,000 points on Grab, and I used 600 and I got a meal.
Serve